Hey guys, John over here at Byrider Green Bay jumping on. I was asked to make another quick video kind of explaining why you might want to choose Byrider rather than a more traditional dealership. First reason right off the bat is we might be able to help you where that traditional dealership can't. Most conventional dealerships go based mostly on credit. That's what they look for to see if they can get you approved and get you driving in a vehicle. Here at Byrider, we go based more on stability. We look at income, residence, stuff like that. So we're another dealership somewhere in town might say, there's nothing we can do. We might say, hey, yeah, let's get you in a car and get you building that credit so you can go to that dealership afterwards and get that dream vehicle you always wanted. We want to help you build your credit. That's what we do here at Byrider. That's what we specialize at. And so that's one of the main reasons people get vehicles with us is to build their credit. If you're looking for a vehicle and trying to get financing, we might be a really good option for you. So feel free to give me a call, 920-455-7788. Or stop in and visit me here at my location. I'm at the Green Bay store. My address here is 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Really appreciate y'all and I hope you have a really great day. Feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon.